Hi, my name is Cliff Langston, and today we're going to talk about cooking equipment. Well, you cannot fulfill the purpose of cooking in your food truck without cooking equipment. The stars of cooking and heating of food, stoves and ovens have multiple types, from 2 burners without ovens to 8 burners with double convection ovens, and everything in between. You may not have an oven or a stove, but if you do, try to estimate your daily usage so that you can get a stove that covers what you need, without spending on items that are much more than you will ever use. Remember, the most important part of your trailer purchase is the actual trailer. You can always upgrade the equipment later. Friers can be 35 pounds, 50 pounds, 70 pounds, and even higher. Things to consider. Do I have fried foods on the menu? Do I have a dump site for grease? Or do I need to choose a commissary that provides this service? And how much propane will I need to keep the fryers burning? At Smokin Joes Trailers, we always offer a 100-pound tank to all of our customers who purchase cooking equipment, which is installed by us and typically is more than enough for even the busiest days of our customers. Propane tanks can be installed on the front, the rear, or the porch of the food truck. It is important to know how much propane your appliances use so you do not run out at any time. Your choice of menu will also determine any other unique cooking equipment required. For example, for a burger food truck, you may need a bun warmer. For a gyro food truck, you will need a 36-inch griddle. And for a pizza truck, you would need a pizza oven. All of our equipment is rated and warrantied in food trucks and concession trailers. This is critical, as many brands and types are not. Once again, I'm Cliff Langston, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more videos like this one to aid you as you look to purchase your next concession trailer, simply head over to texasfoodtrailer.com and sign up for free. Once you sign up, you will be sent a free digital booklet titled 10 Critical Steps to Purchasing Your First Food Truck, 5 Best Places to Park to Maximize Profits, and 6 Foods that will take you to 6 figures, a guide to planning your food truck menu. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and remember, you may forget a recipe for a dish, but never forget the recipe for success. 3 tablespoons of hard work, 1 teaspoon of focus and determination, and 1 large heaped cup of don't wait until tomorrow when you can take bold action today. God bless, and remember to be amazing.